everyone. Our topic for today's video is set in Python. So let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is make a set. So and we are going to use curly braces for set. Now means I'm putting some kind of random value in this set. Now you can see I'm not even looking at my keyboard. When I run this program, nothing happens. But when we write print, set, and run this program again, you can see. Let me go into appearance and presentation mode for a second. I hope it is better for you all. Now let's talk. What is a set? A set is something which is a type of data, means is a data type. Set is a data type. The set is a data type. Now let me use multi-line comments for it. Let me just do Control X. Set is a data type. We had data type like list, tuple, and now we are on set. So in set, if you have some kind of value, let's copy this only. Now you can see. So I'll do 38 over here also, and then I'll go at the top, click on run. I'll click this run button. I'll click on the main thing. Nothing has happened because we did that thing in the comment. Now what we are going to do is take this thing, do Control X, paste it right over here, and put this thing in the comment. Now if we run, let's put enter. Now if we run this program again, you can see the shortcut is Control F5. I'm hitting Control F5. Let me increase the size of the terminal. You can see what has happened is 47 is repeated 2 times. The number 47 is repeated 2 times over here, but still it's showing only 1 time. That's because, and it is not in the same form as we saw here. Means if, not the command if, means if you're coding in Python, it is unarranged. It is unarranged. It moves some kind of things randomly, means the first words get at the last, like this. It changes where the location of the data type you have, means the data you have in the set. And when I'm saying the word when, this or this all things means I have repeated 38 two times and 47 two times. So when I hit Control F5, you can see 38 is shown only one time. Now what I am going to do is I am going to close this thing. I am going to remove this all. Now instead what I am going to do is put 11. Again put 11. Now I'll show you all something. Control F5. Okay, it's not working right now. I don't know why. So you can see I'm clicking on the run button. It's showing me the thing 11 only one time because the number 11 which we had over here is repeated two times. So the data when you are making set and writing code and the data is unique. These are some keywords. It is giving me error. Unique and means it should be unique, but when means you will only understand. You should use curly braces for sets. You should use curly braces for sets. So I hope you all understood what is said. The proper video is coming, so please watch it. Now let me remove this. Exit presentation mode. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.